Hello friends, today we're talking about how to do bold text. If you want your text bold, so you first select it and there is a pop-up windows. You just click B is bold. Okay, try again. Any text. Select the text and go to home tab and here is a B equal bold. So click here bold is now bold. If you want not bold, so undo. You just click again B is undo. If you want underline in the text, so just click U. It will underline. You can use also shortcut. Select the text and select Ctrl B for bold. And if you undo it, so select again Ctrl plus B undo and Ctrl plus B bold, Ctrl plus B for bold and Ctrl plus U for underline.